Hi guys! Welcome to my first resin art video. I'm Cindy, I'm from the Netherlands, and normally I do nails, but this is my new hobby which I would like to share with you. I'm going to resin art this table. It's an oval shaped table on wooden legs, but I took them off. And I want to use a blue range of colors. So the colors that I'm going to pour are white. I've mixed up some blue. I've created this color myself. So then I have some very nice sparkly bronze glitters that I'm going to pour last. Some aqua blue, also a shimmery color, very nice color, and a darker blue, which I also mixed up myself. It's a few tints darker than the previous blue. So I'm going to start. I already sanded this board, cleaned it. I'm going to start pouring on my leftover resin. I have my heat gun ready and my blowtorch. Let's see what we're going to do. So let's start with this. Warm it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to use the dark blue first. I want to make a wave-like . Shimmery one. I'm going to pour more whites here. And here. Now I have some backing paper from the forms that I use as a nail stylist. So I'm going to swipe these colors. Going to do the same here. So, like this. This is, I want to drag that here, so I'm going to pour a little bit of white still. Perhaps there's enough there, but just to be sure. So here I'm using a thinner piece of backing paper. I'm out of the other one, so using this one to drag over this white and this blue. Okay, you guys, well, this is it. Let me show you the end result. I'm going to move it now. It is nice. Nice cells. I would love some 007 or something Erica works with, but yeah, here you don't see it very well on my camera. Perhaps if I turn off the lights, yeah, that's better. Here you see the light blue with some white cells in it. It's very nice. I love that. Okay. Well, I hope to show you the end result the next time. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and then I can show you more of my projects. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.